You know, if you touch the leaves, they'll fly up. They're all hiding in the leaves. Do you need him to help you? We're going on a Father's Day hike. Look, Cody's way far ahead of us. Super far. And I'm here. Where's Daddy? There he is. There's Daddy. I see you. It's hot. We gotta get to the shade. It's in the bridge. Think there's any fish in there? The water's moving, so there should be fish, huh?
You would think, yeah. At least some more. No.
Alright. Better catch up to Cody. She's way far again. She's a fast walker, man. Look how fast she is. Whew. Dang it. You okay, honey? Get out of the sun. Oh, did you see a spider? You just in the shade? Okay, let's camp here for the night. No? Okay, keep going.
Let's camp back at home.
Camp at home? Are you crazy? We're going on a trip. Father's Day hike. We're all wearing the right shoes.
Me and you are.
Yep.
Dad's wearing the wrong shoes.
Dad's wearing the wrong shoes. Let's check out these shoes, guys. My hiking shoes. There's Cody's hiking shoes. And there's Daddy's hiking shoes. So who has the wrong shoes? You have the wrong shoes for hiking, honey.
Oh, indeed.
Yep.
Gotta go back.
You do. Sorry, we're gonna have to go home.
Yeah, that's those yellow flowers.
No, the fern.
They look similar, but this one doesn't have flowers on it yet.
Ah. I'll come look at, like, we're supposed to go over the bridge, but I guess we're gonna come over here.
That's cold. That's really cold.
Really? Aw. Look at me, chickadee.
Okay, I was confused. I think it's called pineapple weed.
Does it smell like a pineapple?
It should.
Are those called elephant ears?
It's called burdock.
Oh.
Elephant ears is probably like another name for it.
Elephant ears is what?
Another name for it.
These have been attacked by bugs. They must have been hungry. Craziness. And over the bridge we go.
What is that?
Cody, careful in case there's any bridge pieces missing. Yeah, you want my mask? Don't breathe that in. I'm gonna put my mask on.
Oh yeah, there's like a lot of cotton.
Whew, it's hot. This is metal. It's hot for my arm. That's so pretty. The cotton's getting to you. Why you should have brought your mask. You gotta learn the hard way. Trail. Okay, let's go. Alright. Dang, look at all that cotton. Like, that's enough to start a fire, yeah. Crazy. Nature time. I'm good with all nature except crawling nature. Wait, it goes two ways. When you come to a fork in the road.
Maybe it loops.
Left? Where?
They're kind of
Oh.
stem, but
Are you gonna eat it?
no.
Wild roses.
Kind of looks.
Like somebody else is eating it already?
It doesn't look very good.
You gonna eat it? You need to eat a lot of those.
Fragrant.
Are you sure you don't want your mask? Or my mask?
No.
Your allergies are worse than mine. You sure? Okay. Yeah, well, she's allergic to 4 kinds of trees, 3 grasses, and I'm sure cottonwood is not helping flying around.
Just count how many times I sneeze.
Oh. Well, you sneeze at least 4 times I know
I'm at
of.
3.
3?
That's interesting.
What is it?
It's, I don't know, but it's some kind of cool looking flower.
Think outside the box. Cover your face and nose so you're not breathing in all these allergens, and we can still enjoy our little family hike. Let's see how your bandana's fitting. Good job. I should keep this stuff out. Deep in the jungles of Africa. Just kidding. Deep in the jungles of... Are we in Eden?
Yeah.
We're in the Garden of Eden. Gotta put my mask on. Too much cotton flying around. I don't want to breathe that stuff in. Not good. Dad's about to walk into a tree too. Don't walk into the tree, honey. Show me, but don't do it again. Like, do it, but don't do it for real. And it just like right there hit you. Bang. It's just the right height. Somebody should raise it. Look at all the cotton on these trees, guys. This is sad. And this is why we're having problems breathing. Crazy. It's all stuck in these trees. Don't hit your head on that stick right there. It's like a slingshot stick. The ground is covered with cotton. That's insanity. Look at all the cotton. It's everywhere.
Good touch.
As long as it's not in my lungs, I'm okay. I'm looking for something new and exciting. Oh, that's exciting. Sit down. Let's take a family photo. Dad. Ow. It got me.
The wild roses got you.
It got me. Ow. The roses got me. Okay, sit down there on the bench. Not in the roses. Let's take a family picture. Dad, you want to sit down with Cody? On this side, probably more room. And I'll try to not get bit by the rose bushes. What a cute little bench. Okay, look this way, Cody. Say cheese. Say Happy Father's Day. Do you want to put your arm around him? You want him to hold your hand? Anything? Okay, let's go. So what is it?
And I took my shoe off to get the twig out. I lost my balance and stepped in the dirt, and I didn't realize.
Oh, I thought you were telling me this is some special plant.
Leave my shoe empty.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, I think we're heading back towards the car because Cody is having trouble breathing. And that is not good. So even with that little mask she made with a bandana, she's still having trouble breathing. So I think she probably inhaled too much before we thought to use her bandana. But it's okay. We'll head to the car and get her some medicine. It will be fine. And she will be fine. You're fine, right, Cody? She collapses. Daddy! Here comes Daddy! Happy Father's Day to you! Happy Father's Day. We got you a feast of berries and wild roses.
Very good.
You love it?
Yeah.
Don't eat too much. Don't want to spoil your appetite. Let's get you back to the car, girl. 10 sneezes so far.
The grass is gross?
I guess.
Something could have called on me.
Sure you don't want to make camp here?
I would be dead by the morning.
You'd be dead by morning? Probably. Is that poison ivy?
No.
Oh.
Well, we came to like a Giotto condo.
So what that is
Okay.
weed.
Go, please.
Kind of looks like tree.
She said it's a dead end.
What did?
This road, apparently. Cody! I know. But she's saying it's a dead end because it's not as smooth as the other one. The road is kind of rough. Yeah, that's it.
I wonder if all this is longer is almost shady.
Careful. You alright?
Incredibly fast for the
To make it? Oh good. We're not trying to walk fast, Cody said. She's just trying to get back to the car. I think we might be lost.
Car's this way.
Okay, this way. Car's this way. Watch out for that log. It's got a stump sticking up. Yeah, sure. Heading back to the car. This has got us going in the right direction now. There's butterflies. Oh, there's butterflies. There's butterflies. There's butterflies. There's butterflies. What the butterfly?
Oh, it was a cabbage white butterfly.
Yeah.
And they have two little darks, or they have a dark spot on their wing. If there's two dark spots on each wing, it's a girl. If there's just one dark spot, it's a boy.
It's flapping people.
You gonna catch it? It's right there in the middle. Dad, scooch over and let her go down the middle. It's right in the middle. I can see it from here. It's right on the green in the middle. As soon as you move, you'll see it. Because it's moving around. It's like in the green area. 10 feet in front of you. Do you see it?
You say it's on the ground?
It was flopping around. If you barely touch the stuff, you'll see it moving. Just walk like you're going to walk through and you'll see it. Or it'll fly in front of you.
Oh, yep. You see it in front of you? Yeah. It'll have one or two spots on its wings.
It's right there, Cody.
And see how many spots
It's right there. It's right. No, it came back out in the open. Oh, it's like, it's coming back towards us right now. Oh no, it went up to the tree. Alright. Got that butterfly. It was just too fast for Cody. She couldn't grab it. It was too fast. Kept moving all over. Mitch thinks it was a boy. Because he said it had two spots.
Girl.
A girl, I mean. Sorry. Alright, let's go. Well, I think we're almost out. Walked all of it. Now we're back out. Oh, we're on the other side. Oh no, we're going this way. We didn't go that way, so. Yep. That was a fun little hike. Feel bad that Cody's allergies are so bad. We haven't recorded, obviously, all of it, but she probably sneezed 20 or 30 times in this little hike. So we need to get back to the car and get her medicine. Poor baby. Goodness. Every couple steps, she sneezes again. Too many seasonal things out here that are making her sneeze. Alright, you got a card in the mail.
Yeah.
It says to Grandpa.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see. You only have so many
Who it could be
grandkids.
from?
I wonder who it's from.
Okay.
Well, it says Grandpa, so I'm assuming it's your grandkids.
We got this a while ago, but you said I had to wait till Father's
Yes,
Day.
it did come a couple days
We've
ago.
been waiting patiently.
I made him wait till Father's Day.
Alrighty.
Oh, it's got a cute little... Oh, okay. What's it say?
Whoever taught you to be a grandpa really did an awesome job, huh?
Aw.
Have a happy Father's Day.
Oh, so cute.
That's awesome. And they all wrote something.
Tell me what they wrote.
Okay, Vita wrote, Happy Father's Day, Grandpa Mitch. And Jubilee said, Happy Father's Day, Grandpa Mitch. And Lana said, Hope you have an amazing day. And Noah said, Happy Father's Day, Grandpa Mitch. And Benji said, Have an awesome day.
So cool.
Thanks, guys.
Awesome.
Yeah.